all the jobs that I do are special. Today's job is even closer to my heart. My late father was in the Air Force and he served over 30 years. Dad, this one's for you because this particular customer is also an Air Force veteran. Take two. This time with the doggy there. Okay, so I am here with Sandy and her baby, which is a 2010 Toyota 4Runner. And you are a Air Force veteran. Mm-hmm. First of all, I want to say thank you for being you and thank you for your service.
Thank you as well.
So it's very a proud thing when I get to do these. This one turned out very good. It was not too hard, but it wasn't, you know, it's a little skillful.
Sure.
These were just kind of yellowy and stuff, and so two words that are really striking that I must hear about. Combat medic. Mm-hmm. Please give me a small piece of your life story.
Sure. So my name is Sandy. I am a retired combat medic with the Air Force. I served 15 years. Half my career at Barksdale Air Force Base in Shreveport, Louisiana, with the 917th Medical Squadron, and we serviced the B-52s. That's the home of the B-52s. Oh. And then I came into Fort Worth, Texas, and finished my career at the Naval Air Station with the 136 Medical Group as a combat medic. And so our mission was humanitarian mostly. I did a couple missions all over the world. Retired in 2013. And I was also the NCOIC of infection control for our major hospitals. So that was a little bit of a duality function there.
Wow.
And thank you so much for this. This is great. I'm very honored that you came out today. This is a wonderful service that you're doing for us. And like we mentioned, I hope I can pay it forward as well.
Absolutely. The honor really is mine.
Thank
so
you so much.
Without further ado, Sandy, are you ready to see your headlight
Yes.
fixer-upper?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to give you the honors. Yank the magnet. Let's do this.
Just one?
Yank it.
All right. Just one?
Yep.
All right.
Well, there's one on the other side. Let's do this.
Let's do it.
And boom.
Whoa. Oh, wow.
And
That's so good.
boom.
Holy cow. Seriously?
Yes, seriously.
They look like brand new.
They are brand new. Yeah, see, I never do the work. I just leave and people come
so
over and they
cool.
replace them with new ones. I'm kidding.
That is great. Thank you so much.
Bam!
Holy cow.
Boy,
That's so
what
cool.
a difference.
How do you do that? That's so cool.
I can give you a little brief kind of.
Wow.
I'll give you a brief.
I am so thankful.
I gave you a brief walkthrough.
Okay.
After this.
This is so cool. Oh, wow, that looks like brand new.
No kidding. It looks gorgeous.
Bam.
Yeah. Bam is right.
Yeah, you just. It was just a matter of kind of getting
so cool.
Yeah, it's just a matter of getting the
Wow.
yellow stuff off the top, and then really wasn't that. It was really smooth actually. So, what do you think?
Marlon, what do you think?
He's like,
Hey, what do you think, Waggy?
Okay.
I just want to look at your gear.
Yeah, let me see what you got in the bag. There
What
could
does
be
it
a
smell
cookie
like?
in there.
Yeah.
Is there a cookie in there?
Yeah, the pads don't taste very good.
Yeah, no doubt.
What do you think? We're good? So that's all I have.
Thank you so much.
That's
Okay.
Appreciate it.
All right.
That's really great.
Sweet. Well, all right. Well, I'm going to sign off then.
Thank you.
That's-
That makes a lot of sense, though. We could use it, huh? It's my neighbor Jim. So interesting. Yeah, yours look amazing.